Well, good morning. Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. All right, folks, I got the camera. The dash cam came in, and so in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you everything I got. I'm going to save the part where I show it in my truck for the next video. Reason being, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of questions about the camera, which optional accessories I accepted and things like that. And so to kind of simplify things for everybody, I thought it'd be best to break it up into two videos. Speaking of simplifying things, if you guys will subscribe, you'll receive a notification when I put out future videos. So look below, hit subscribe, wait a few seconds, click that bell, select all, and you'll receive notifications when future videos come out. Also, while you're down there, click that thumbs up and share this video on your social media platforms. There's a lot of you guys that are interested in dash cams, and this could be very helpful to a lot of people. So, without further ado, oh, one more thing. You guys know I love it at Swift Transportation. Look down in the comments and in the description below for ways that you can apply with the company to find out about opportunities in your area, things like that. Also, ways that you can contribute and support the channel if you choose to do that. So without any further ado, here we go.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down. Flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round. For my family and for my kids, for this life I wanna live. This is why I do this.
Alrighty, we're back. Let's start with box number one. I'm going to go ahead and use the old knife and we'll slice her open. We're doing this live. I hadn't looked inside these boxes. Hopefully everything's here. This will be a real short video. But yeah, this is like Christmas. Let's see what's in the box. So, in this first box, it is full of goodies. Good old packing stuff, nothing there. Receipt, nothing there. Wiring harness. Now this right here should be what they call the gateway. This is the brain of the outfit. Some guys asked me if you can hook additional cameras to it, and yes you can. You can hook up to 4 additional cameras to it. They, if you do that though, their little deal you gotta buy to do that is pretty expensive, and you have to get third-party cameras. They themselves don't offer them, so you'd have to get those on their own, which is a plus because you could get, you know, mirror mounted cameras. If you were a flatbed, you could theoretically get some that, you know, you could monitor your load at night and things like that. So they also have all kinds of trailer tracking software and equipment and things like that, if that's something that you're interested in. Here's the actual dash cam. I opened that box just now. And I want to give the model number because a lot of people, they've got a few options. People said, which one did you get? I actually got the CM31 model. And let's see if we can see what all's in this box. Of course, it's got it's all attached, the power cable and everything. And it actually has, let me see if I can show you this without breaking it. Here's the wire connectors to hold it up in place where it won't fall down in your view while you're driving and stuff. Does come with the instructions that nobody reads. But let's talk about this camera for a second, and then we'll move on to the accessories I bought. This is adjustable, obviously, and so you can set it like you want. And it's a pretty nice set. You can see there's no backwards facing camera, only a forward facing. Has what we'd that 3M tape that attaches it to your windshield. And then, like I said, I bought some extras of these because you can unscrew it here on the sides and replace that. So should I have a windshield that has to be replaced, or should I have to change trucks for some reason, I've already got the equipment to do that. I'll set that down. Let's go to box 2. Here's the accessories I bought. A lot of guys were asking how big is the panic button, things like that. And so you can see what I'm doing, I'm just cutting the tape. And yes, I know I'm not supposed to aim the knife towards myself while I'm opening this. This is I'm gonna turn it around. This is not a video on safety for sure. Knife safety. Almost there. I'm sure watching me open a box is real entertaining. This is making a great video, I'm sure. Alright, box is open. What's inside of here? Alright, here is, of course it came with a receipt. I ordered 2 of those windshield mounts with the 3M tape, like I was just mentioning. One, here's the second one. We're going to put those aside because there's nothing unusual or fascinating about those. And here's the deal that everybody was curious about, the panic button. And I just want to reiterate, I think panic buttons are great. I think they are to be able to be easily accessible while you're driving. You shouldn't have to unbuckle your seat belt or take your vision off the road to activate one. This is perfect because I can select the positioning and things like that. I hope it's a decent size so that, oh, I like this. This has safety written all over it, folks. Look at that. It's about the size of a 50-cent piece. It actually has 3M tape on the back of it so I can place it where I want. They gave me a nice long cable so that I'm not going to have any problems attaching it to that brain that I showed you earlier. And so I'm really excited to get this installed. I want to thank y'all for joining me on this video. And I hope I answered most of the questions you had about this unit. I'm sure after I plug it in and use it a little bit, I'll be able to answer a lot more questions. You guys leave me a comment below, shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you just as quick as I can. Oh, one last thing I want to admit. Some of you have been emailing the wrong guy. He got in contact with me and said he's receiving a bunch of emails. Please, 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 when you're emailing me, make sure that you're putting the right email in. truckertodd806@gmail.com. If you need to copy and paste it, it appears a lot of guys are forgetting to put the 806 on there and it's going to the wrong guy. But that's just something you need to be mindful of, be aware of, and we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to go put this thing in. All right, bye-bye.